Good evening everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to go over today's topic because I've been waiting for him to put out a little bit of information about this, and he finally did in his last video, so let's get into it. We are going over the Black Friday mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now technically speaking, it is the holiday edition mystery box and it's actually coming out on Thanksgiving Day instead of Black Friday. He did make a little bit of a statement in his last YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead and play that for you now. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and go over what he had to say.
But I am so ready for my 5th anniversary of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. We have amazing new mystery boxes for Black Friday. It's gonna be insane. We also have free shipping for all US and a bunch of new exclusive items. So Black Friday, saddle up. I'll see y'all on my next video. I love you. Mwah.
He did post about it a little bit on his Twitter if you want to go ahead and check that out. Now, onto the actual mystery boxes. There are going to be 3 boxes this time. Now, the boxes are a little bit different than they were during the Halloween mystery box. This particular mystery box is going to range from $20 to $60 to $100. The mini box costing $20 is going to have 3 items in it. The premium box, which is the middle one, is going to be $60 and it's going to contain 5 items. The deluxe box, which is the biggest one, is going to have 8 items in it. And all of them are guaranteed at least 1 exclusive item. Now, aside from just the mystery boxes, he also does have an actual Black Friday sale going on that's starting at Thanksgiving all the way through Cyber Monday. Starting off the savings, it's going to be 40% off all lip products, 35% off all highlighter products, 30% off all fashion accessories, 30% off all palettes, which, I mean, it's a shame that there's no more Shane Dawson palettes because that would be freaking great. It's going to be 25% off concealers and setting powders, which is like wow, because his concealers are amazing. Also, they are going to have free domestic shipping, which is I think anywhere in the United States. He's also going to be doing a Cyber Monday savings, which is 25% off the entire store and free shipping. This is going to be a really good sale and you are not going to want to miss this. Also, as to be expected, he is launching a new mirror with this mystery box.
Oh hi, a new Jeffree Star mirror launching this Black Friday. Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know how excited you are about this mystery box, because I definitely am going to be getting one of them. So thank you so much for watching and have a good evening. Bye.